Hey, what's going on, guys? Minecraft Gamer here, and today I am going to be doing some more mining. So, if you did see the other video, I did some mining on the diamond mine, and this time I'm going to do some mining on the iron mine. So, let's go. Yeah, so in my world, my good old stinking world, and let's do this. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, load in, baby. And I do need to get some food. Do I have any food with me? No, I do not. So, I'm going to go upstairs because I know I have food there. I have some food cooking. No, wait, I forgot. I have some food cooking. I can't believe that, happened. I didn't even realize I was at 1 heart. I did not realize that. And I do, in Minecraft, even in Minecraft, I hate the smell of fish, and I hate the food. I hate fish. It doesn't taste that good. It tastes like poison. That's what it tastes like. I tried to lay off the food. And I am going to get some armor, because I do have diamonds, so I have some armor at Stella's house, but I'm going to actually, I know what I'm interested. I'll get a gold. I'll go for a head. I mean, not, you know what I mean. Know what I mean, right? Right? Yeah, I think you do. Yeah, I'll go for a little head. I should not wear my booties right now. Put on this heady head. And I'm also going to smelt down some. I'm going to make some more smooth stone. I want to make some more. This stuff is good. Good stuff. I'll smelt it in. You know what? I'll smelt it in this one. Right. There, I got that smelting. So, I got that all smelting. I'm going to make an iron pickaxe. Yeah, I do have a diamond down here. I'll make one iron thingy. Alright. And craft one. There we go. Wait, hold on. I did not craft it. I gotta craft it. There. I crafted it. I'm a little rusty at crafting in Pocket Edition, but I want to keep going mining, so I'll see you in a bit. Right, guys, I'm back, and I am also back here. Yeah, I'm back. I'm really back. I'm back. Okay. Let's start. Wait, I forgot. I did not bring the shovel with me. Oops. I'll just use this. Yeah. And I got an iron pickaxe, for I do not have to use up my good diamond one. You know, it's a goodie. It's the goods. You don't want to mess with the goods. Yeah. No mess. What? Okay, you need more gravel? I hate gravel, man. Gravel sucks. Gravel is not the one. Okay. And if I could find diamonds in the episode, that would be amazing. Come on. Very cool, isn't it? That's cool. Nice. Let me place down this. Let me mine up this bad boy. And then I'll go on with my life. I'm gonna go on with my life now. Okay, going on. I'm gonna go on now. You know, I'm going on now. Stop trying to torture me in my house and life. It's not my life to get my house. Sunlight's so nice. I like it. I know. And my media is really high. Okay. Alright. Anyway, sorry for I'm not going to be speaking that much, but I think I finally made it out of the gravel spree. Gravel sucks. Don't do gravel, kids. Yeah. Boy, yay, gravel more. Wait, no, that's not the wrong one. Right, I'm going to activate this. Oops, I don't want to. I'm good. You be good. Alright. It's mine away, mine away, mine away, mine away, mine away, mine away. I'm going to be singing the Mine Away song. And at one point, I may make a railroad down here. That would be nice. Wouldn't it? I think it would be nice. Because, you know, it is a diamond mine. I need a quick way to get around here. And it's always nice to have a little railroad. You know what? I'm actually thinking about putting one in right now. I'll craft what we need. I need more iron. That's why you have iron mines, kids. Iron mines. Okay, I'm just gonna once I place down one more torch, I'll go and craft some stuff. That is if I have the stuff to craft it. Because I have plenty of stuff in this mine. But placing down a torch right here, and I'll be back. I will be back in a little bit. I'm here, and right now I'm going to check on how the smooth stone is going. The operation is going good. It's going good. It's going good. It's going really, really good. Okay. I'm going to put some blocks down here so you can see that. And then I am actually going to now, I'm going to grab all of my irons, all the iron I can find, and then I'll grab all the gold. Yeah. Let me just make an acceptable amount of stuff. And of course I need some sticks. Do have sticks. I don't have enough. Alright, let's see what I can make. So I can make all I need is, of course, piece of awesomeness. I need a stick. Get out all the sticks I have. Yeah, and then I'll craft some of this. Yeah, and then I will craft. See if I have enough to make. I need a man. I'm missing one piece. Just one more. One more. Yeah. I will make. I keep clicking on the wrong thing. Okay. I will make one of these. Yeah. There we go. And then I will put this back. And then I'll come back here. I guess I'll see you in a... You know what? No, I don't have to. Let's keep going. Just keep going. What do you do? Just go. Oh, just go and go. You go. You better go. Oh, just go. You better go. You better really, really go. So I'm gonna go to my inventory. put that in there, and then put that right there. There. So I'm going to start off with that. And then I'm going to place this, going to start connecting it. And this railroad isn't going to be done in a while. It will not be done. Not for long. It will take a long time, and I need more iron to actually do this. I need more gold and iron, so I'm going to make a lot of mining videos, guys, in these next days. I'm going to end it soon, but I'm going to... Wait a second. I suck. I should have placed one of these a long time ago. I placed these long. There we go. Let me place more of these down. And then let me place more railroads down. And then let me place another one of these down. Wow, this is going to be awesome, guys. Awesome. It's going to take us nice and quick. It's not going to take that long. It's only going to take a few episodes to finish it. Only a few. Only just a bit. Just a bit. Ay. Oh, God. So, I only have a little left. Gonna end it right after I get all this. That's rude. There. So, I think I'm gonna end it right here. If you did enjoy this video, then please leave a like and subscribe to show your support for the channel. If you did think it could have been improved, then please let me know in the comment section below. So I guess I'm just gonna have to see you guys next time, and peace out.